Guys, this is a 22-23 BMW 530E, and although I already have a video out there showing you guys how to remove the sweep from the front door, I also have one showing the rear door, but somebody was asking about how do I put it back without having to drop the whole door panel. I mean, it's not complicated to drop the whole door panel. There's 2 or 3 screws, especially on the handle, but I don't do it, okay? Here's how I take it off, and I'm gonna show you the reverse process to put it back, okay? Usually I start from here, okay? Come up, and you can see that this is off already, okay? This lip over here is pretty high, but it's already off. Then I'll do the back. So when I do the back, what I do is I left, if you show it over here, Dave, see, all I did is I left it over here and it's already off, okay? Now, of course, it's very easy to take it off. It comes right off. When you put it back, some of you are having a problem to make the lip go back in place over this because the lip over here has to go inside of that groove. So here's what I do, and usually works for me, okay? I'll pass that back. Now this thing, it's over this cover over here because it's not on my way. And I'll start over here. I'll lift and I'll push at the same time. So I'm kind of peeling and pushing. So that lip, it's already in place. This lip, it's in place. This lip is in place. Now this is the one that it's hotter. So what I'll do here, okay, if I have a problem, I hold the bottom over here of the lip. I'll hold the bottom, lift the lip, and then go in just like this, okay? So I hold the lip, and it drops right in. It's right in the groove. Okay, this is how I do it. It works every time for me. Good luck, guys. I hope that will help somebody out there. Bye-bye.